because our market analysis report we conducted on drone inspection services is really focused on companies that are providing a third-party service. So a company can either adopt a drone operations internally, or they can outsource it to a third party. In essence, these are drone service providers. And what these drone service providers are, typically they'll rely on a third-party drone, such as a manufacturer, such as DJI or some other manufacturer. In some cases, a few of them offer their own drones to provide the service, but typically it's a third-party relationship. And what they do is they provide a service which basically goes out and they plan the missions, fly the missions, which would involve collecting various data on inspections or surveying and mapping or other applications that may be of interest to the customer. And they collect the data, analyze the data, and then they provide the necessary reporting of the data to the customer. And they do this across a number of industries, including traditional ARC process industries like chemicals and oil and gas and refining and pulp and paper and mining. But we're also looking at other industries such as construction, government, which is really infrastructure inspections for roads and bridges and things like that. We're also looking at telecommunications towers, and the transportation logistics, which is really ports and terminals. And they're doing that across a number of applications, and the major ones are obviously inspections, leak detection, surveying, mapping, inventory management, which is typically found in mining and pulp and paper, and then progress monitoring, which could be across construction and some other applications where they're actually monitoring the progress of a project, typically a greenfield project.